Did you know that you could save up to $14,000 on home upgrades with rebates? States, territories, and tribes all over the country will soon be rolling out Home Energy Rebate programs with funding from the U.S. Department of Energy. Once the programs roll out in your area, you may be eligible for thousands of dollars in discounts on appliances and home improvement projects. For example, eligible households could save up to $8,000 on a heat pump, $4,000 on an electrical panel, and $1,750 on a heat pump water heater. Other eligible products could include electrical wiring, doors, windows, and electric stoves. Basically, anything that reduces your home's energy usage could be eligible. And not only will you save now, you'll save later too. These upgrades can help lower your utility bills. Learn more about home energy rebates at energy.gov/save. Save energy, save money.